We all know the BLUM airdrop is going to drop soon. And of course, many of you think you're mining BLUM, but you are fading it seriously. If you guys know, the first season of BLUM was about the BLUM points. The second season is the main point. Very, very important. I made a video currently or previously about it, but I lost the video. And in this video, I'm going to make a proper one for you guys to see how you can earn those meme points that will be very, very crucial for the season 2 airdrop. It is coming very soon, and I know it will be in this quarter too. You don't want to miss out on it. BLUM is already by far, based on establishment, one of the solid top airdrops already on the Telegram space. And when that airdrop hits, I am a bit certain that it will cook. So of course, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Inoko Kedere, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, as you guys know already, BLUM is supposed to be an exchange. They're doing everything in the right direction according to their white paper. And of course, the next steps are the meme point, the trading contest, this and that, and they're really doing it very well. Of course, the inclusivity of everyone in all the community is not there yet. It's still really centric around some certain kind of community. But of course, there's loads of people everywhere that are getting into it, and I'm just making this video to show you guys also how to just key into it. Now let's get right into it. So as you guys can see currently, this is my BLUM dashboard, and of course there's everything going on here. My meme point has not yet increased yet, but it's crazy. I was keeping everything just for this video so that we could do it on this video. So of course I can claim some BLUM points. I've got 819 play passes. That's totally insane. And yeah, we're just going to leak that one. And then of course the trading bots. Now the trading bots is basically what we want to focus on today. There are a couple of tokens that I wanted to buy a long time ago, but then I'm just going to use this video to buy them and show you guys how we can earn more meme points making trades on this trading pot. Now, of course, this is this interface. It's not the most beautiful of interfaces, but it works. Remember, the goal of BLUM was to give trading to the people just like you're chatting, with the chatting sense. And that is what exactly it is. So as you can see, my Solana wallet's connected. I have $0 there. Ton wallet's connected. I have 25 Ton in there. And that's what we're going to use in this video. My meme point balance is also shown here as 1,600. We get 750 meme points for every $10 in a single trade. That is crazy. So there's also a part here which says meme points. My meme points balance is 1,600 meme points. Earn 3,000 meme points for your very first trade. Earn 750 meme points for every $10 in each trade. Trading with the trade bot is basically not a problem at all. You're not wasting your money. You're not giving anyone your money. All you're doing is trading. You're buying a different cryptocurrency. Okay. So, of course, this is the home page here. As you guys can see, once again, we could buy, sell, there's positions, token list, auto snark, copy trading, PNL, others, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to click on position for starters. You guys can see different positions we've got over here. But then I'm going to go all the way back. That's not what I'm coming here to do today. I'm going to click start to take me back to the home screen. And I'm just going to click buy and sell. It says trade any Solana and Ton tokens. And I'm going to go all the way to token lists. We're going to go to Ton tokens because that's what we want to get. On the list here, we have Gram. We have PX, that is the pixel, the not pixel token. We have Major, we have Notcoin, we have FPI Bank, DYOR. We have so many. We have dogs. So let's start with dogs. Actually, I love dogs. So let's start with dogs. Price of 1 day ago is minus 7.48%, but let's choose dogs. And then we have the pop down menu. we can see liquidity is 199 holders, 4.95 million. Trade details: buy $2 ton, slippage is 1%. Remember, we're going for $10 so that we can get a 750 min point bonus. So we're going to increase. You can see we can set the slippage, set buy amount, and then buy. Okay. So when you set the slippage to a very low slippage, your own trade is not prioritized. But it is cheaper. When you set your slippage very, very high, it is prioritized. It goes immediately. This is very important when maybe a token is listing, or maybe the token is dropping really fast that you want to really swipe trade on it, etc. But then we can leave our own on what we are not rushing, and everything is okay. So we're going to set our buy amount to just make it $10. So let's just put 4 tons. That's around 12. So let's put 4.5, and then it automatically changes it to set by amount to 4.5 ton. And then, as you can see, it says that is $17. So we're buying $17 worth of dogs. So we're just going to click buy. Easy, buy, and just click buy. And it says it's processing, as you guys can see, waiting for confirmation. And then we just have to wait a while. It's taking a longer time, as you guys can see, because our slippage was very low. But then it says finally confirmed. We are finally bought the dogs token. As you guys can see, the trade has fully gone through. It's done. And then if you look at our meme points balance, we have 2,350 meme points currently, which means we had a 750 for the $10 trade we made by the dogs token. So that is really, really huge. If we trade dogs once again back to ton and we do the same thing, rinse, repeat, we keep getting meme points for this trade. So that is pretty huge in my opinion. And you guys can make use of this so that you can get much more meme points before the season 2 of BLUM would actually close. Now, if we're going to go all the way to meme points, we're just going to click meme points here. You guys can see my meme point balance 2,350. We go all the way here, going back to BLUM, and you guys can see here it stays my meme points is now 2,350. So we can, trade to earn. We can do the same thing over again. We could buy. Probably let's go to the trading bots once again. Let's go to buy this time around. Let's token this. Let's see the ton token we want to buy. Let's go for not coin. And then we have also once again 4.5 tons for not coin. That is another 10. And then we're going to click set slippage is also the same thing that we click buy. So we swapped ton now for knots, and then it's waiting for confirmation. It will take a little while because our slippage is on 1%. And then we're waiting. It says confirmed. Now we're going to go back all the way to BLUM and check it once again. And as you guys can see, our meme point is now currently on 3,100. So we've gotten another additional meme points just for doing that over $10 trade. So basically, that is how you earn meme points. It is not hard at all. Just keep doing this, rinse, repeat, and you keep earning more and more. So thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.